with Mother Nature. You who live in a city, wherever you are, we are happy to deliver the taste of pure and fresh nature. We know the best raw materials come from Mother Nature, from seeds to complete products. We are doing our best to create a food brand that combines nature and science. In addition, in order to deliver the raw material as fresh as possible, we are directly procuring raw materials not only from Korea, but also from all over the world. We do manage from material sourcing to production and distribution ourselves. This is how we are getting more reliable. Your wellness partner on the journey toward a better daily life and future. Well Farm. Well Farm, established in 1998, has been striving to supply natural food and has grown together with customers. Nature, trust, passion, challenge, and happiness. With all these corporate philosophies, we have introduced healthy, delicious and differentiated products. And as its result, we have positioned ourselves as a leading brand of healthy food in Korea. We, Well Farm, directly manage overseas production to keep fresh fruits and vegetables under strict principles. Our excellent facilities and outstanding techniques for extraction and concentration give our products a more competitive edge. Also, we have developed know-how on research and technologies for materials by combining nature and science, and as a result, from frozen fruits and frozen vegetables to various products such Jayeonone oak lens, Hano juice, kids juice, Phytocal ABC juice, Phytocal propolis pear bellflower extract, and elastic mixed meal, kombucha. From children to adults, from snack to meal replacement, we produce healthy food products for all. With all family brands of Well Farm, Phytocal, Jayeonone, Sangwal and Bok de Bang, we are opening up a new era of non-contact, but still human-centered. We, Well Farm, are more often closer with our customers. Even in busy daily life, everyone deserves healthy food from Mother Nature. To further realize this, we are expanding our distribution business in offline, online, and TV shopping, in order to make your life a better one. Well Farm's investment and innovation will never stop. We create value for food and lead trends toward healthy food. Well Farm.